Hello everyone, this is Sama again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract the followers of someone on Instagram. So this time around we'll be choosing Instagram followers of someone, and I'll be typing a profile of which I want to scrap the followers. So I'll go on Instagram and find a profile which has a few followers. So this is just a random profile. I'll copy the username of this profile and paste it in the campaign on ReachOwl. Click on next. Again, the same options. Either I want to send them a message sequence or send them the follow request. I'll follow them. And then I'll choose my burner Instagram account, and then I want to send the follow request to either males or females both, and then save. That creates my campaign, and it will start scanning the audience from the profile, and at the same time in parallel will start sending the friend requests or follow requests in case of Instagram, and we'll be back when the campaign starts scanning. It takes about 10 minutes, and I request your patience at this point. Okay, a few minutes later it has started scanning my audience from the primary profile, and it's also sending the friend request from my burner account. So it has started the campaign. So that's all from this video, and see you in the next one.